So as you all know, it's Halloween season. Finna have people dressed up in costumes, about to have kids running around, scary movies coming out, all that, you already know. What we don't have is a set of rules. Now these ain't the official rules, they could be the official rules eventually. These not no official rules, these is unofficial rules. They official to me, cause I made them up.
Weird flex, but okay.
You can choose whether or not you wanna apply these rules to your Halloween, but they will be applied to my Halloween. Alright, so let's get into these rules. Number 1, no blackface. I don't wanna see no blackface at all. Don't paint your face black. Don't paint your face brown. That shit offensive. If you paint your face with black face, you gonna have to get your face painted in red by people with black faces. You imitating me. You feel like that's what I look like? You feel like that's cool? Alright. I'm about to make your face red face. What are you talking about? Don't. This go for everybody. Don't nobody wear no black face. Nothing. I'm not trying to see it. I know other people ain't trying to see it. Other people get offensive. I'm gonna be offended off top. Let me see you. Let me see. I'm literally going to smack the black off your face. Like when my mom used to tell me when I was little, when I used to touch stuff, when she told me not to touch stuff, I'm gonna smack the black off you. I'm literally going to smack the black off you. Don't wear no black face. That's rule number 1. Rule number 1.5. Refer back to rule number 1. I'm not playing, bull. Don't wear no blackface, bull. Don't do it, bull. I'm telling you, bull, it's alright. You gonna think it's funny, you gonna think it's cool, alright. 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 Rule number 2. Slutty costumes. Alright, so look, everybody knows that the only thing that girls aren't lazy with is doing their makeup. So with that being said, if you're gonna have a slutty costume, and this is what I mean by slutty costume, I mean like, you know how you see girls with like leotards on, they got some cat ears and a tail, and then they put a little black dot right here and they put little whiskers. I'm a sexy cat, or I'm a sexy mouse. Be some creatively sexy shit, alright? Like, if you're gonna be some sexy shit, you need to be some off the wall sexy shit. I don't wanna see no cats, no mice. You can't be nothing sexy that my little cousin are like. Kids under 3 like. Like, you can't be sexy Buzz Lightyear, no. You can't be no sexy Spider-Man. You can't be Boo from Monsters Inc. sexy. No. What are you doing? Ain't no sexy Big Bird. Ain't no sexy Doradix. No. No. Stop all that. No. Just do something different, bro. Be like a sexy elephant. You feel me? Like, do something else. I'm tired of cats. I'm tired of mice. Go be a sexy armadillo. Figure that out. Go be a sexy water bottle. It's so many things that can be sexy, bro. Go be a sexy planet. Be Jupiter around this bitch. Be a sexy shadow. Okay? Dress in all black, like Slender Man, and just move like this and just walk around. Rule number 3. If you have a driver's license or a permit, you ain't getting no candy. Back your ass up. You old as hell trying to get candy. You can drive. That means you can get a job. That means you can buy your own candy. Halloween is for people who can't buy their own candy. AKA kids. You're not finna see me trick-or-treating unless I'm taking somebody to go trick-or-treating. But even then, you probably still won't see me because I'm not doing it. You old as hell, boy. Stop trying to trick-or-treat. Kyle, relax. Kyle, simmer down. You're 36. Let it go. It's not for you no more, bro. It's not for you no more. I don't care if you dressed up like Peter Griffin. You not getting my candy, boy. You come to my door with that bull trick or treat, and you come to my house dressed in a big red jacket and a baby blue hat with yellow trim. Talking about I'm Cartman. I'm going to hit you with a cart, man. Get your grown ass off my porch. What are you doing? Bro, you can't be old as shit out here ringing people doorbells talking about some trick or treat. If you don't back your ass up, boy, you old as fuck. I'm not doing that shit with you. Trick or treat. Alright. Finna treat your ass with a trick. You ready? You got 3 seconds to get up off my porch, or shots fired. In order to find me, you're gonna have to have a
UAV online.
I'm not finna be playing with you, dude. Get your old ass off of my porch. Rule number 4, don't steal all the candy. If you see a house and they got a big bowl, big basket, big barrel full of candy, bro, that don't mean go in that barrel, basket, bowl, getting big scoops of candy and putting them in your bag. That's not what that's for. Take candy in moderation, especially if it's unsupervised. Like, don't be that dude, because then what's gonna happen is a kid gonna try to roll up and get the candy and ain't gonna be no candy in there because yo greedy ass want to take all the candy. Be considerate, bro. It's kids out here really trying to have like good Halloweens, and you want to mess it up because you want to take 19 king size Snickers. Why? That's why people don't be putting candy out like that no more. This ain't like the 80s and the 90s and you could just leave a bowl out and be like, oh, you know, they be having signs up, take 3, and somebody try to be funny, ha ha, I'ma take 6. You wondering why every year when you do Halloween it get trash and trash and trash. Cause you keep taking all the candy, bro. You ruin it for everybody. Rule number 5, no porch light on, mean KO ass on. You come to my house and we ain't got the porch light on, don't come knocking at my house. I don't care how many cars in the driveway. Not here. No candy. Majority of the time, the people that's participating in Halloween usually have their porch light on. Insinuating, knock on my shit. I got candy for you, knock. If I don't got my light on, fuck is you knocking for? And then you got people that try to ring the doorbell like 6, 7, 8 times. If you ring it once and I ain't came to the door by 9, I know today is October 31st. And I know it's Halloween. And I know I live in the neighborhood. And I know people finna be trying to get candy. Why you ringing my shit 32 times? Bro, it's like 50 houses on my street. Gone. We not, no, gone. Back up. Ain't got no candy for you, boy. I ate it all. Ate all the candy. Candy gone. Move. Next house. Rule number 6. Do not act like your costume. Bro, I remember one Halloween, it was this dude dressed up like Jesus. So he had a bottle of water in one hand with some, what you call that, Crystal Light. And he was turning water into wine. Boy, if you don't get your, boy, don't be acting like your costume, bro. That's so irritating. Like, if you gonna dress up as Jesus, which you shouldn't, and you gonna walk around talking about some, let's break bread, I'm gonna break your face. Back up. No, I don't want to see no cowboys in costumes with rope lassoing motherfucker. If you lasso me, dude, the only people that need to be acting like they costumes is like kids, cause that don't even really count. If you old enough to cross the street by your goddamn self and you acting like your acting like your costume, bro, is a headache, for real, for real. Like, don't dress up as a dick for a costume and act like one and say I'm acting like a dick. I'ma beat your ass.
No homo.
Back that goofy shit up, man. I'm not. Just don't act like your costume, bro. Like, don't be no cat walking up on people scratching. Why? If you dressed up like a dog, don't come up to me barking, crawling on all fours. Cause I kick pit bulls in the nose. Number 7. Don't be something that take too much time for you to explain. For example, do not wear no big ass Ugg boot on your face with karate clothes on talking about some I'm ugly. You are ugly. I'm about to what? Don't walk up on me with a whole bunch of string and shit in your skin all over yourself and a goddamn cape. Cause what is that? What do you mean, what is this? You don't understand what this is? No, I don't understand what that is. What is it? Oh, well, if you haven't noticed, I have a lot of stitches, right? Thus, me being super stitches. Boy, I'm on your ass. I'm talking about, like, don't try to run around with a jean jacket, some jeans on, some jean boots. What is that? How can't you tell what this is, bro? Cause I don't know, that's why I'm asking. But you should literally be able to tell what this is, bro. What you is, man? I'm Super Mario going into the dark. How are you Super Mario going into denim? Number 8. If you do a group costume, make sure that everybody participates in the costume so that it can make sense. Like, you can't dress up as a box of cereal and the person that was supposed to be the milk don't show up on the doorstep with you. What you supposed to be? Man, we were supposed to be a well-balanced breakfast, but you know, my partner got sick. You're no longer a well-balanced breakfast. Now you're a disappointment because where is the milk? Can't eat cereal without no milk. You can, but I'm not going to. Don't try to pull up to the party, you know, without your partner. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's not gonna be well. If one of y'all is a pair of shoes, y'all supposed to be, you know what I'm saying, a pair of tennis shoes, and only the tennis players show up. Where the shoes at? Oh, she couldn't make it because something had came up, so now I'm just a tennis player. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to pull up to a party, you know, logic, mix, and then the other person is covered in tape, and y'all talk about a mixtape. Y'all supposed to be a mixtape. I don't want to see just one of y'all pull up in tape. Group costumes gotta go together, I'm sorry. Rule number 9. No babies is Chucky. That. No, I am the kickball champion of Franklin Elementary School in the harbor. I will kick I'm talking about field goal status. Yo child, across the street and across the street, behind the street that's across, I'm booting it. No little clowns either, like, don't pull up and your kid Pennywise. It wouldn't be wise to be Penny that night. I'm not doing this with y'all, man. Little kids need to be little stuff. Butterfly, ladybug. You see what I'm saying? Like, be little stuff. Don't try to be no, alright. Be like a leaf or something. Be something little, cause it's a baby. It's small. You little. Be something little. Don't try to be, alright. You just cause bro, you don't understand. You gonna be Chucky. I got PTSD with Chucky movies when I was little. I can't see little Chuckies running around. No. All the people in the movies, they goofies. They did not think, let me just kick this, you know, doll across the street. They want to run and freaking, and let it get knives and shit. Like, let them sneak up and crawl under, no, I'm boot. Rule number 10. After Halloween is over, it's over. Don't pull up on my porch November 1st talking about some trick or treat. No. It's over. Halloween is over. It been over. It's November 1st. You know what that means? That means it's not October 31st. That means it's the next day. That means take your costume off. That means get off my porch. Candy is gone. Halloween is done. Like, why are you still here? I shouldn't still be looking at you in the face. It's over. November 1st. Check your calendar. It's over. Alright? Those right there are the unofficial but official rules of Halloween. I'm not saying it no more. Alright? But in all seriousness, if you enjoyed that video, make sure that you leave it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications. That way you're notified every single time that I upload new videos. Because I don't want you to miss none of this. This ain't much to miss, but you feel what I'm saying. The link to all my social media is going to be in the description box below. So that means Instagram, Twitter, and my Snapchat. What y'all going to be for Halloween? Comment down below what you going to be for Halloween. I got my costume on right now. Y'all ain't even know that. You've been staring at me in my Halloween costume this whole time. Most creative costume there is. Period. Alright, so let me explain my costume. For those of you who are looking and saying, yo, I really like that shirt. Thank you. I never knew that this shirt could end up a Halloween costume, but it is. And let me explain what that means, right? That means that this costume, if you look closely, you see it's a bunch of animals on it. Well, it's one animal, but you see what I'm saying? Like, this costume could be taken multiple ways. For the females that's watching, I know what y'all thinking. He's a dog ass nigga. Nope. Wrong. Wrong. No, I'm not wrong. But in a sense, I guess you is right, because what my real costume is I'm a guy that has bitches all over him.
Boy, if you don't...
I know what you thinking. Wow. 10 out of 10 costume. Yes. It's here. Say, man, make sure y'all drink some water. Water gang! MySpace pose for the haters.